Let's quickly clean up voice recordings and improve it by using some effects in Audacity. The first thing you want to do is to remove background noise. To do this, select part of your recording without a voice. Go to Effect, Noise Reduction, and click Get the Noise Profile. Now select the whole track and go again Noise Reduction and click OK this time. The next thing you want to do is to silence or cut unwanted parts from the recording. Now go to Effects again and hit Compressor. Copy the values from the screen and hit OK. This compressor will even out your recording, especially if you have low quality microphone. Effects again. This time go Equalization and select Bass Boost here and hit OK. Go to Equalization again and select Treble Boost and hit OK. Now go and apply normalization. And this is how you quickly improve vocal quality in Audacity. I'm Philip, thanks for watching and have a nice day.